How do you do waveform analysis when you don't have access to your oscilloscope or don't have the right instrument with the analysis capability? Hello everyone, this is Neetu and I'm an application engineer at Tektronix. Today we are going to discuss about Tektronix TechScope PC offline analysis software that helps you do waveform analysis anywhere, anytime for all the Tektronix oscilloscope and other brand oscilloscope as well. I'm going to demonstrate the software for doing some power measurement, and I have waveform files acquired using basic oscilloscope without any power application for advanced analysis. I have opened the TechScope PC software in my laptop. Let's start with the default setup. So this user interface is similar to oscilloscope with all the settings and controls. Let's recall the voltage and current waveforms that I've already loaded into my PC. So this is my voltage to my reference 1 and the current waveform to reference 2. Just need to change my horizontal setting so that I can see it correctly, the waveform. Now let's start with some measurement. I'm going to the standard measurements where I'm having amplitude measurement, time measurement. I can select the source where I want to do the measurement. So currently I selected reference 2, which is my current waveform, and I'm doing amplitude measurements such as amplitude, peak to peak, RMS. And I can also select my reference 1, that is my voltage source, and add those measurements as well in my amplitude, as well as some of time measurement like period, frequency. There is no limitations on the number of measurements that can be added, so I can add as many measurements as I want and as many number of reference or channel as I want. Within the measurement itself, if I go, I have the statistics and other advanced measurement associated to my measurement, such as histogram, time trend, spectrum measurements. Like if I press time trend, it will give you how my amplitude is changing with respect to time. Let's add the result table from the measurements. Here you can see all the measurements that are listed in the badge is also added in the table with statistics. I can save it as a CSV file by right clicking. So you can see I'm having save table option, which I'm saving for future reference. Let's move on to the power measurement. From the measurement menu itself, I can go to the power measurement, and I need to set the voltage and current source. That's the only setting I need to do. All other settings are automated. I'm doing the power quality and harmonics measurement now, as I'm having the signal from the input side. Power quality, I'm having all the measurement like power quality, power factor, and harmonics I'm having THD, and if I double tap I can get the detailed analysis as I've already mentioned. So here I want to see the bar graph for the harmonics, which is showing whatever settings that I've already configured. So here when I check, I've already set it for 40, that is the default setup. If I want to add more number of harmonics, then I can definitely go up, and even more than 100 harmonics I can do. And also there are other settings also for the harmonic measurement. The most important thing for the harmonic is testing with respect to some standards. So I have IEC, MIL standard or other standard also that can be added, and it will be automatically testing with respect to the limits of the standard. And even in the result badge, if you go, you can see there is a pass-fail testing result that is present in the result area. Now we have done 2 measurements in the input side. Those are most important, and I want to save the data so that I can export information from the PC. So this can be screen capture or waveform or the setup file, so that I can have all the information, or a session file, or even a report. So I am saving this as a report, and this is my PDF report that I have saved with all my setup configuration, power measurement summary results are there for power quality and harmonics, and all other measurements that I've already done, and the waveform, even the trend plot that I've added, bar chart separately for the harmonic measurement, and these are some of the setup informations that are present for the measurements. Thank you for watching, and subscribe the channel if you like the video.